All right. Good morning, everyone. So in today's session, we are going to discuss about Jenkins again, because on Saturday we were not able to complete it. Okay, so Jenkins is already installed in my laptop. Okay, so I'm not going ahead with the procedure again, because you already know on Saturday we have discussed how to install it and what are the steps you have to be proceeding further. Okay. Now, once the Jenkins is installed and say, for example, you have logged out of that Jenkins session. Okay. So if you have to again connect, you will have to go ahead and check for URL localhost 8080. Okay. So I'm typing in the password and username. Okay. And I'm signing in. This is my Jenkins. Okay, this is how your Jenkins will look like. Let's say you do not have any of the projects uploaded here. Okay, so it will be blank here. Nothing will be populated here. Okay, so as soon as you see your Jenkins is up, first thing you will have to do is you will have to click on Manage Jenkins. Okay, you'll have to click on Manage Jenkins. Okay, and now you have to click on Manage Plugins. Okay, you will have to click on Manage Plugins. So you have to go ahead and install few of the Marvin projects plugins. Okay, I am searching with Marvin. Okay, since I've already installed all the Marvin this thing. Okay, I do not see any Marvin plugins populated here. However, you all of you will be able to see some Marvin plugins. So you will have to just check the boxes and install, download and install after restart karke you will have to select. Okay. So once you restart, once you download or once you install few plugins in your Jenkins, you will have to definitely restart the Jenkins. Otherwise, the whatever plugins you have installed, it will not be up and work running for you guys. It will not work for you guys. Okay. Now, once you do that, you will have to go back. Okay. Click on global tool configuration. Okay, click on global tool configuration. Okay, here can you see JDK installation? Okay, so I have given already the path of JDK. Okay, so you will have also to you will also have to give the path of your JDK. Okay, where your Java is installed, that path you will have to give it in JDK in under global tool configuration. Okay, once this is done, can you see Marvin? Click on that Marvin installation and click on the select bar, install automatically karke. Okay, so it will install the latest version for Marvin. Okay, and then click on save. Okay, once you click on save, it will go back to the dashboard. Now, the major thing that you need to do is you have to click on new item. Okay, in order to add your pom.xml thing, you will have to click on new item. Okay, can you see Marvin project here? Okay, so you'll have to select that and you'll have to, okay, Marvin is already existing. Okay, you'll have to enter the name of the item that you need to you are requiring to create. Select Marvin project, because Marvin project is the thing that you are going ahead and importing. Okay, and click on OK. Okay, so it will open in this way. Okay, you will have to just go ahead and scroll down. And under build, okay, under build, can you see root pom? Can you see root pom? So you will have to enter your pom.xml ka path from where you want the files to be getting executed in Jenkins. Okay, so I'm going to Eclipse. I'm creating a Marvin project, because the Marvin project that you are going ahead and giving the path for, that should not contain any kind of errors. Okay, ఏ ఒక్క క్లాస్ లో ఒక ఎర్రర్ ఉన్నా గానీ your complete this thing will not run. Okay, so I'm going ahead and creating a project here. Marvin, next. I'll create a simple login project. Okay, entering the group ID and artifact ID, creating a package. Okay, it's getting okay. Now I'm checking for dependencies. Okay, I need selenium and testng dependency, so I'm going ahead and copying from orange HRM12. Okay, and I'm pasting it here in the project that we have created. Save, close, and I can see jar files downloaded here. And I'm going ahead and changing the build path for JRE system library. Default version is 1.8, so I'm selecting 1.8. That's the most compatible version. Okay, and now I'm creating a class here in this Marvin project, login. Okay. Import. I'm giving method name as login, and system.setProperty webdriver.chrome.driver. I'll give that from, no, I'm just copying and pasting it. I don't want to waste the time. Okay, so this is the thing that I'm copying and pasting it right here. Save. If I go ahead and execute, it should be executable. Okay, Chrome got started. There is a failure. I think version shouldn't be changed here in this laptop. Yeah. 1 second. We need to change the Google version in Chrome version in this laptop. So 98. Clicking on documentation. Checking for 98 version. Okay. We need to extract it. I'm extracting in C drive. Okay. Extract. Continue. Okay. So this is the thing that got extracted. We are on C drive itself, right? Now I need to creating a new folder. Chrome driver underscore win32 and continue. Okay. So if I execute the case, now it should not have any issues executing it. Okay. So the test got passed, right? So I need to go ahead and select the pom.xml path. So how can I do that? I'll have to go on to the pom.xml. Okay, I'm taking orange HRM kana. This is the project that we have created, Marvin 55, right? For Marvin 55, I'll take the pom.xml's path. Okay. Right click on pom.xml and you will be finding the path of the pom.xml. Properties, right click, go to properties and you will find the pom.xml path. You'll have to right click, click on properties, and this is the path where the pom.xml is there in the local system. So it will always connect with the local system and then take the information from local system itself. Okay. So now we'll have to move on to Jenkins. Okay. And I have to give the path here. Okay. Once I give the path, under goals and options, I will have to write it as clean and install. Okay. So what we are doing is whatever we are doing after providing the pom.xml path, okay, you will have to first clean and then install the programs that we are extracting from pom.xml file. Okay. And then click on save. Okay. So once you click on save, you'll have to click on back to dashboard. Marvin 55 is the project that we have created. Okay. So what you will have to do is you will have to click over here. Okay. The arrow button. Click on build now. Can you see there is an execution that is happening here? Okay. And you will also be able to see the console. Okay. I'll just show. Can you see console output? So this is the console output and it's showing us some execution that has happened and it's saying failed. Okay, so we'll have to check why the build got failed. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, just give me a minute. Usually, if you run the program, okay, and if you see the console, it should be showing you like this. This is the program that got successfully executed. Okay, so this is how you will be able to see. Acha, Marvin and clean. I should be writing. Okay. Okay, this is how it will be showing you in the console. Okay, test execution build success and waiting for Jenkins to finish collecting data. It's collecting data from this path, which we have provided in Orange HRM, sorry, in the from the Eclipse. Okay, and then it got executed. So the same way, let me go ahead and do it for by creating another project here. Okay, just give me a minute. I'm going to dashboard. I'm clicking on new item. Orange HRM. Clicking on Marvin project. Clicking on OK. Okay, I'm scrolling down. I'll provide form.xml this thing. Let me take it for Orange HRM12 because this was the success thing that we have received. Okay, so I'm going on to properties. Taking this path. Okay, apply and close. Putting the same path here. Marvin clean. Okay, and then I'm clicking on save. I'll click on configure to check the Java version that has been installed. Okay. Okay. Manage plugins. To check if there are any existing Marvin projects that got, that needs to be installed. But this is not required for us. So you will have to check JDK version here in under global tool configuration. It's 11 and it's taken the path. Okay. We don't want Git to be installed. We need Marvin installation. So we have selected it as install automatically. Apply, save. The settings got saved and I'm going back to the dashboard, checking for Orange HRM. This is the build that we have created. Click on build now. If you want to search for what happened, if you want to search for console output, you'll have to just click on the down arrow. Fail అయింది. It collected dependencies. Okay, after that, here goals and options రాసాము.
Goals and options లో ఫార్మాట్ చేంజ్ అని అడుగుతున్నాం.
ఫస్ట్ క్లీన్ ఇన్స్టాల్ రాసాము, దాని తర్వాత మావిన్ క్లీన్ అని అడిగింది అని మావిన్ క్లీన్ రాసాము. ఓకే, అన్నోన్ లైఫ్ సైకిల్ మావిన్ క్లీన్. ఓకే,
ఫార్మాట్ ఇస్ ప్లగ్ ఇన్.
one second, let me open this. Configure. ఎక్కడ it should execute actually. This is how the procedure is. Okay. So this is how you will install. Okay. First step is to click on, after installing, click on manage Jenkins. Okay. And then system configuration. Under system configuration, you will have manage Jenkins. You'll have to click on that and you will have to search for Marvin. Whatever plugins are in there, you can go ahead and select those plugins. I think Marvin integration, we need to do it. Okay. So those plugins, whichever plugin starts with Marvin, name Marvin, you can go ahead and install those things. And the next step is you have to click on restart Jenkins when installation is complete. Okay. After that, as I said, you'll have to verify the JDK path. Okay. How to do that? You'll have to click on manage Jenkins, right side, left side, you'll have to click on manage Jenkins. Okay. After that, you are clicking on global tool configuration. Okay. After that, you are setting the Jenkins path. Okay. And path, where do you find your, where do you find your Java path? C drive programs. You have Java file uploaded there, folder. Okay. After that, you are giving the Marvin integration installation thing. If you do not know where the Marvin is located, you can just go ahead and select the installation, add installation karke, add automatic, install automatically karke. Okay. Once that is done, once that is done, you are clicking on new item. Okay. So we are done with all of these things, right? Let's follow these steps. Clicking on new item. Okay. After clicking on new item, now it's asking us to type in some name. Okay. And select Marvin, right? So I'm entering some name and selecting Marvin project and clicking on OK. Okay. So after that, okay, before this, let me go ahead and do this. There was a Marvin plugin that needs to be updated. There are updates available. Marvin. Okay, updates. Okay, this thing. Marvin repository server. That's it. Once these plugins are uploaded, installed, you can click on restart Jenkins when installation is complete, or you can click on that. It takes time. It takes a lot of time when you are updating any plugins or installing any plugins. Okay. So once you click on Marvin integration plugins and all, whatever it is, install Jenkins and then click on OK. Third step is you will have to describe. Okay, you'll have to write the description. I forgot this step. You'll have to write the description. Okay, and then click on go further sections like source code management and build triggers. So fourth step is source code management, wherein it's asking you to provide git ka path. However, we are not taking anything from git, so we need not go ahead and provide the path. We can go ahead and take the path from GitHub also. If you have the projects install uploaded in GitHub, so you can take the path from that also. After that, okay, clean install. I said clean and install, right? So after that, under build, it is asking us to provide the pom.xml path, okay, from where we need the project to be imported. And then you have to write clean install. Okay, you'll have to write clean install or Marvin clean, Marvin install, Marvin test, something like this. Okay, after that, you'll have to trigger build. Okay, just give me a minute. Let me see where my Jenkins is. Okay, it's asking me to restart. I've created this project. I'm going on to this Aruna project. Okay. Configure. I'm writing a description, something. Okay. Scrolling down. If you need a Git to be added, then you can go ahead and provide the URI path from the Git. Okay. So I do not want anything from Git. Okay. So I skipped it off. Now going further, I am going ahead and providing the pom.xml path from Eclipse. Okay. So this is the path I want to take it from. Okay. Clean install. And then after this, you are set to build the project. Okay. So build triggers. Under build triggers, you can select these. Okay. But I don't think so these are required because it's asking us to provide some schedule and all. Okay, save. Once it is saved, you can go back to your dashboard, build now. In the meanwhile, you can go to your console. Scanning for projects. It collected the dependencies. It is showing the complete test execution thing. Okay, how it shows in our Eclipse console, it will be showing the same way. Waiting for Jenkins to finish collecting data and it says success. Okay, so this is how they will be able to see the test execution status of each and every pom.xml file. Okay. The error that we have made while executing previous things was we have written clean and install once and Marvin hyphen clean. So that's the thing where we have missed. So it should be always clean install. Clean install, that's it. Okay. So I'll be providing you this link from where you can follow the procedure steps. Okay, it will be easy for you guys to go ahead and download or install Jenkins in your systems and all. Okay. There is an option in Jenkins wherein you will be able to see the test execution also, like in Eclipse, while executing a particular test case. Okay, you will be able to see, right? Orange HRM open aitundi, and then it's going ahead and inputting the username and password and all. So there is an option in Jenkins also that clients, if they are executing this particular the test cases through Jenkins, they will be able to see the execution part. నేనేం చేయలేను. There's a power cut at institute. Okay, they're able to listen to me, I guess. అంటే నెట్ కొంతసేపు వర్క్ అవుతుంది కదా. Yeah, they are able to